Hey guys, it's Lacey. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am planning in my mini. Let me go ahead and show you last week. Last week I decided to do something different. I've been doing the dashboard for a while. As you can see, here's a few of my layouts. And so I really love the dashboard, but I kind of got a little, I don't want to say a little bored. I just wanted to change it up and do something different. So I went back to the horizontal and I really fell in love with it. But of course, I missed the dashboard layout. So back to it again. So this is my week from March 25th through the 31st. And basically I just used farmhouse, the farmhouse flowers and a couple of colorful box stickers. I can't remember what book, but it's there's a plan with me you can go check out. So being the month of April, can y'all believe it, already the month of April, I thought I'd go back to my dashboard. I'm not sure how busy this week is going to be, but we'll see when I check my calendar. All right, so today I decided that I thought I wanted to use a sticker book that I haven't used in a long time, and I'm going to use the Socialite. I mean, I barely used this book. I think a couple of my plan with me's, I want to just start going back to some of the older books that we all have just sitting there on our shelf, because we are giving so much attention to these new sticker books. And so I want to make sure that I kind of incorporate some of the older books into my spread also. It's very possible I might use Color Story. I call this Color Story 2. Cannot get my hands on Color Story 3, but I'm not going to complain, at least not today. And then maybe a possible Fun Florals, possible. So, I don't know if you know this or not. A couple of people who know me very well know this about me, is that I just don't like these shaded areas. I mean, I wish it was a planner that was very neutral so that I could choose the colors that I wanted to use. So what I went ahead and did was just got a piece of white paper and just went ahead and measured and cut this out so I could cover up this shaded area. Because I might not want to use green in my spread at all. And then again, I might want to, but I want to be able to have that choice. So I'm just going to cover that up. Also, let's see what else. I'm going to white out this coffee down here. Not sure what I'm putting here yet, but I know I don't want this there. I saw some planner babes have a dashboard layout that was just neutral, black and white, and they had gotten it from Etsy. So I might have to check that out, because I really like this layout, but I really don't like these shaded areas. All right, so that's prepped and ready. pretty darn good about what I've done. So I was gonna use the fun florals because I just wanted to have some flowers over here. But I think I'm just gonna leave it right here, leave it at this. So let's go ahead and pop this back in my planner. Now, you know what? I think I might need to find one more thing. I love having a coffee cup. I mean, that's just what I love. Let me see if I can find a coffee cup really quick. I love having a coffee cup in my planner. My wonderful addiction that I have. Yay! It's a coffee cup right here. Usually I put it on Mondays, but I think I'm just going to put it over here to buy. And this needs a little more glue. But I'm so happy I didn't have that green, because it's not even the color green. These colors I'm using this week is like a nice little bold color. So having that would not have really matched, I think. All right, so let's see, where do I want to put this? I'm just going to stick it down off in here. Or should I stick it up here? Just going to stick it right over here. What to buy? Buy some coffee. All right, this is it. I think I'm done. I'm finished. It feels good. My biggest struggle with this layout is the shaded areas, but I think I did okay this time. So this is it. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think about this spread, this layout. Let me know if you use the dashboard or do you use horizontal still? Are you into the vertical? I know they have a vertical mini. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Also, let me know what you think about this layout. I love stickers, and I know it's extremely busy, but it's what I love. So, and I really appreciate us kind of dialoguing and having a conversation about this layout. And what do you think about the shaded areas? Let me know in the comment section. So thank you once again for joining me. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please give me thumbs up, not thumbs down, thumbs up for this layout. And please click on that notification bell if you are interested in receiving, being notified of more of my videos. Thank you.